Welcome back to Ramjet Bros. Please like and subscribe. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a 4-ingredient chocolate chip cookie. Watch out. What you'll need is 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of milk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of flour, and chocolate chips. What we're going to do, we're going to mix our butter and sugar together, then we're going to mix in our flour, then mix in our milk, and then throw in some chocolate chips. And there we have it, a chocolate chip cookie. Depending how you like it, it's a bit soft and chewy in the middle, but if you want it a bit more crispy, you can put it in the oven for a bit more longer. Just don't burn it. Like us and subscribe.